How to change slippage tolerance for advanced swap in Zengo wallet. Are you expressing easy to change slippage tolerance for advanced swaps in Zengo? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change the slippage tolerance in Zengo wallet, start by opening the app and unlocking it with a PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. On the main dashboard, tap the Action button and choose the Trade option. Select the cryptocurrencies you want to swap from and to. Before confirming the transaction, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access advanced settings. There you will find the slippage tolerance option. Tap it and adjust the percentage according to your preference. For example, a lower percentage like 0.1 to 1% is better for stable coins, while a higher range 2 to 5% is more suitable for volatile tokens. Once updated, exit the settings, review your trade, and confirm the swap. This ensures better control over price changes during your crypto transactions. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change slippage tolerance for advanced swaps in Zengo wallet. Bye bye.